The famous words of Shrek, ogres are like onions. They stink. I took an unplanned 2-week break because if life catches you slipping, it will definitely kick you in the teeth. So, here we are. Anyways, trying to get back into it. I'm gonna go over 5 different types of onions today. Number 1 is our yellow onion. Yellow onion is old dependable. Like, it's good for everything. You can cook it, you can eat it raw, you can do anything. It is amazing for caramelizing. So, importante. Color is yellow, but this is a sweet onion. Sweet onions are gonna be like your Vidalia. I don't know how to pronounce it because I grew up in the South and my grandmother, this is her favorite onion, and she pronounces it more like Vidalia. But it's her favorite onion. She will tell you that she could literally just eat it like an apple. Just take a bite out of it. I don't do that, but Vidalia onions are very good. Sweet onions, in general, are very good. They're particularly good in salads and relishes, and they have a nice, mild, sweet onion flavor, which you could probably guess by the name. We have pretty much the opposite of that guy. We have the red onion. If you speak in memes, they're the, why is it spicy? Of the onions, because it has a very, very strong flavor. Salads, they're also really great for grilling and pickling. So, yeah. White onions you're gonna see in a lot of Mexican food. In general, white onions can have a fairly strong flavor, but they have less of an aftertaste than, say, like red onions. And then we have our little baby shallots. Shallots are used a lot in like French cooking. They have a very mild flavor, and they kind of taste like a hybrid between garlic and onion. You would use them a lot in sauces and dressings, anywhere where you just want like a little hint of a flavor. So most pungent, red onion. Then you have the white onion, even though it has less of an aftertaste. It is still fairly strong. Yellow onions can also be pretty strong, but I kind of put them in the middle. They're the middle ground. They're the good for everything, all-encompassing. Then we have your sweet onions, which have a much lighter flavor. And then our shallots, which are a very mild flavor. Literally, if you only ever buy one onion, get a yellow onion. They're good for everything. Otherwise, you know, it's like Pokemon. Gotta catch them all. Gotta try them all. Try them all. That's what food is about. Food's about experimenting and trying new things, and, you know, sometimes that's the basic stuff. Now, I don't mean just, you know, pick up an onion and take a bite out of it like an apple. You're not my grandmother. She also eats lemons. Like the whole thing. The peel, all of it. Yeah. Anyways, but you know, try it, cook it up, and go from there. Yeah. I'm not gonna say that I will see you next Tuesday. I will see you on a Tuesday. Hopefully it will be next Tuesday. But, you know, I am learning that this year is the year for taking it easy on yourself and giving yourself a break when literally you're just trying to hold everything together and function as a human. Or am I a Muppet? Anyways, I will see you next Tuesday, whenever that may be. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys take a break to do something fun for yourself today. Whether that's, you know, dragging your wife shopping, or, I don't know, pet a dog. I hope you pet a dog. I hope you pet several dogs. But, you know, just you do you and have fun. Okay, bye.